Selecting graphic novels for your library. Graphic novels have many advantages, one being that they point readers to different types of text and genres. They are good for many different types of learners because of the illustrations and pictures. ESL students and visual learners can construct meaning from the pictures. Boys who are reluctant readers are drawn to illustrations, and it will attract young people to the library. There are some disadvantages, such as, due to their similarities with comic books, some adults don't think they're appropriate reading materials. Not all titles are available through jobbers, therefore increasing the cost. Some content is too mature for younger readers. And then some librarians will need help selecting them since they're not familiar with them. When thinking about genre, ask yourself, does it appeal to a broad spectrum of readers? Are you going to need multiple copies or the whole series? Do the illustrations attract readers? As far as the reputation goes, it can influence the reader. Durability, they should be durable or hardback since they are in such high demand. The placement is key in the library since they can go in their own section or with the fiction books. When thinking about use of text and illustrations, ask yourself, what's the story about? How do the comic book elements add to the story? The layout of the graphic novels. Are the panels easy for the readers to follow? Implications are budget. Always budget, right? The author of this article that I read said to consider the kapow factor, meaning having a collection that's large enough to have an impact and also to meet demand. You're going to want to maintain those graphic novels since they are so popular. Make sure that they are hardbound. And then marketing and promotion. Promote those graphic novels to the teachers to use in their classrooms. And then finally, copyright considerations. They're most likely considered picture books even though they weren't around in the 1970s when the copyright regulations were written. Therefore, up to 2 pages or less than 10% can be copied. And finally, I use the textbook and the article entitled Developing a Graphic Novel Collection.